Alright, I just got my Goyojo surfboard. It's a 17 kilowatt fiberglass. I didn't get the carbon fiber. I lift in the top. There we go. Alright, so got the right color. These are my fins, I'm sure. 1, carbon fiber. 2, there's a long one. Short one. Another short one. Okay. Let's see, there's one of my foot pads. Oh, there's the other one. Okay. Here, of the bag. I can't get my fingers in there. Oh, it's a tight fit. Let's see if I can lift it with the plastic. Possibly. Yep, barely. All right. Let's see. It's the bottom of the foot holder. I can't get that one out. All right. That's the wrist strap. Get this plastic off. All right. Throttle controller. Remove the battery. Okay. Here's your magnet. There we go. All right, the batteries woke up. 52%. Let me see how heavy this is without my hand further back. All right. Okay, here's my battery charger. Cord and battery charger. This is the interface. I see. It's interesting. So that plugs into there. Plugs in the wall and the battery sits on that. Okay. Just gotta get this other. There we go. Bottom of footrest out. I got one more fin. Here's the bag. A wrench, 2 wrenches. Let's see. Oh, it's magnetic. That's cool. Let's see. Just go. That's nice. It's magnetic. That's pretty cool, and they sent me 2 of them. That's nice. All right. And then here's let's see, I got some O-rings. All the screws, hopefully all the screws. My manual. All right, I got it to connect the app. So you open the app, select Bluetooth. Device list. Oh, it already connected. But you would select device list, tell it to search, and it'll come up you select Ant BMS. Yeah, several devices came up, but that's the one you select. And here's there's my 18 cells, shows the voltage. I haven't put it on the charge yet, so I'm sure there's more to look at here, but this is the main thing, so it works. Okay, very cool. All right, I'm installing the fins. You remove these plates, and here's a plate, here's a plate, here's a plate, and you put the fins on. Here's your 2 side fins, and then they give you 2 lengths of center fins. Pretty neat. So I just discovered something. These these side fins have a lean to them, so I assume each one leans to the outside. Would make sense to me. Okay, here's a look at the bottom with fins on. The impeller, all stainless. Here's the motor. So I just received my second battery from my Goyojo Surfboard. Here's the box it came in. It's pretty neat. I assume this is the battery and this is the charger. So we're gonna see what I got. All right. So this was $2,000. I got $50 off with a coupon code, and I checked with them to see, does it actually come with the charger as well, and they said yes it does. So it's a pretty good deal actually. All right, here we go. All right, exact same charger that I have with the readout. Cable. It's easy today. And here's that's pretty neat. And here's all the parts for the charger, so that's cool. I got 2 chargers now, 2 batteries. All right, let's see. There's one. Oh wow, that is heavy. Oh man. Okay, so there's no latch. Apparently they've just bent these over shorter than others. There we go. All right. It's kind of dirty. All right, so here's my new battery. Just like the old battery. Looks good. There we go. Now I have 2 batteries. More ride time.